Brain, I've cracked the periodic table mystery.
Oh, really? Do tell, Detective Banter.
Simple. I just won't memorize it. Case closed. Cancel the show.
That's not how learning works.
Okay. But come on, 118 elements? That's like trying to remember my grandma's Wi-Fi password.
That's why you need a super silly trick. Let's start with the first 10 elements. Just remember this sentence. Hi, Henry likes beans, but could not offer full nourishment.
Wait, who's Henry? And why is he obsessed with beans?
Doesn't matter. Your brain loves weird things. That's why this works. Here's how it connects. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. See? Henry loves beans, and now you know the first 10 elements.
Okay, that was disturbingly easy. What's next?
Now, let's tackle the next 10. Just remember this. Naughty Maggie always sings pretty songs, clapping around kind cats.
Oh, so now we've got a musical cat lady? This just keeps getting better.
And here's what it stands for. Sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium. And now you've memorized 20 elements, just like that.
So Henry eats beans and Maggie is a cat lady who sings? The periodic table is wild.
One step at a time, Banter.
Okay, my mind just did a backflip. But wait, what about the next 98 elements?
Let's not crash the lab's memory system.
Fair enough. My brain finally caught up. But before we go, let's see if they can handle more.
Want to master the next 20 elements? Smash that like button.
And drop a comment. Who is Henry? And why is he so obsessed with beans? We need answers.